channel. I hope all of you are fine. So today I would like to make another breakfast recipe. It's gonna be a mix of the eggs and bread. So how we gonna make it? Let's go. Okay guys, here are the ingredients that we have. I have here 3 eggs, as you can see, and then some of bread and cheddar cheese, and then here I have a small butter, and then I have here the spring onion chopped with the dill. Actually the spring onion and dill are optional. I just want to add it to make a good smell and flavor, but if you don't like it you can just keep it. And I have a pinch of salt. So the ingredients are very simple. First step that we're gonna do is we're gonna just mix the dill and spring onion into the egg. And then we put also the salt inside. It's just a pinch of salt. And we're gonna just mix it together. Here I have the pan, and I'm just gonna make a little slice of the butter. And you're gonna just make it melt. And then we're gonna take the bread into it to and then dip into the egg. And after that we're gonna just break it. Then we're gonna pour another egg on the top. And then take the cheese. Okay. And then we're gonna put another cheese on the top on it. the bread and the eggs is ready to eat and it's delicious. You can try it at home. And if you have another tips and trick to make it a more delicious, please feel free to put it on the comment. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a great day everyone. Have a nice breakfast. Enjoy. Bye bye.